ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
A family in Davao City is sad because their baby died. The baby was born early and was in a hospital. The hospital said the baby died, but when the family took the baby home, it seems alive, but then the baby died again.
The NLEX World Warriors won a basketball game tournament in Davao City. They beat Blackwater in the final game. The tournament helps them get ready for the PBA season, which are start in October.
Our #1 Sunsilk shampoo just got better with our best ever fragrance. With oils, vitamins, and proteins that nourishes in every drop. Para all-day smoothing hair na may bangong nakakagigil. Walang makakapigil sa best ever fragrance. Sunsilk.
Charo Santos wrote on social media about Mike De Leon who died. She said he was her friend and taught her about making movies.
News. Manila, the shoe of tropical depression, Jacinto and the southwest monsoon or Habagat will continue to bring rains all over the Philippines on Friday, August 29th, State Weather Bureau Pag-asa said.
Dati may kumakain ng fita, kaso may nalimos na lola. So, hinatian niya. Diwata pala si lola.
Dahil busilak ang iyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sagot si kuya. Sports car! Ulit! Half fita, half kotse.
Balikan ng tamis alat sarap ng fita. Balikan ng sarap.
The Philippines and Australia disagree with China's claim that the Philippines is causing trouble in South China Sea. The Philippines and Australia are doing military exercises together in the area.
And that's all our World News Report.